model, 68-plate Renault Trafic CSL27 Business plus energy 1.6 DCI needs head gasket no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 130037. Engine, 1598 CCR9M125 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, air con, 2 keys, parking sensors, sat-nav, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on